So we've been asked to collect the like terms in 5x plus 2 and then minus 3x plus 7. The first thing I like to do is I like to highlight however I can the like terms. They are the terms that are similar to each other. So if I look here, I've changed the color of my x's to red, and I've changed the color of my units, of my regular numbers, to blue. I can do that because it's nice and easy because I'm on a computer. If you're handwriting this, you can use underlines, you can circle, you can square, you can do whatever you want to highlight it. So I can see that 5x and minus 3x are like terms because they both have an x value in them. They both have an x term. So I'm then going to rewrite the entire thing, but I'm going to group my like terms together. So if I look now, I've put the 5x and the minus 3x together, and I put the plus 2 and the plus 7 together. That allows me to do a really nice, easy thing and do 5x, take away 3x, which you got it is 2x, and then I've got to add 2 to my 7. So plus 2 plus 7 gives me plus 9. Okay, that's it. Have a great day, guys.